game launch blocked by the XInput copy DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start fixing XInput copy manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the XInput copy, a non-standard naming convention for the Xbox 360 controller library, frequently found in modded games or fix patches. If the game's executable is specifically looking for this copy file name, its absence will cause the game to crash or fail to detect gamepads. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. If XInput copy DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files, then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with XInput copy. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of XInput copy DLL, unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the XInput copy environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve XInput copy dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.